Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So, children, welcome back to Maths online class. We will continue with the same chapter, that is chapter number 1, pre-number concepts. Children, in the previous video, I have already explained you about the total 8 topics. And today I am going to share with you some picture-based exercise related to the chapter number 1, pre-number concepts. Children, as you see in the video, I have made one picture. First, I will explain you the picture. See, I have made some hills and I have made some birds, sun, I have made 2 trees, I have made one girl, I have made one hut, there is a table, on that some fruits are there, one pond is there, in that birds are there, and there is a river flowing from the hills. Now related to this picture only, some filling the blanks have been given you and 2 options are there. You have to see the picture and write down the correct answer. So we will start with the first one. The fruits are dash the table. There are 2 options, on and under. First you have to see from the picture where are the fruits. This is the table and on that there are the plate of fruits. The fruits are dash the table. So which one is correct? On the table or under the table? On, because the fruits are on the table. So the correct answer is on. The fruits are on the table. Second one, the birds are flying dash the hills. See, these are the hills and over that birds are flying. Options are above or below. So which one is correct? The birds are flying above the hills or below the hills? Yes, the birds are flying above the hills. These are the hills and over that birds are flying. So the correct answer is above. A-B-O-V-E. The birds are flying above the hills. The third one. The ducks are dash the pond. Inside or outside. As you see, there is a picture of a pond. In that 2 birds are there. So the ducks are inside or outside? Inside. So the ducks are inside. I-N-S-I-D-E. The ducks are inside the pond. Next one. The hut is dash the river. Near or far? Children, as you see in the picture, there is a river flow from the hills. And just near that, there is a picture of a hut. So, the hut is dash the river. It is just near. So, the answer is near. N-E-A-R, near. The hut is near the river. This is the river and near that there is a picture of hut. Last one. The girl is dash the 2 trees. As you see in the picture, there is a picture of 2 trees and this is the picture of a girl. So, the girl is between the 2 trees. Option is between or behind. So, the correct answer is between. The girl is between the 2 trees. So children, I hope you all have understood how we have to observe the picture and do the filling the blanks. Related to this only, I have uploaded one worksheet in document file. You have to do that worksheet in your maths notebook. That's all for today children. Thank you and have a nice day.